Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back friends. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Erin Condren Daily Petite Planner. I'm super excited to be closing out this planner as well as this year on a relatively positive note. There's a lot going on in the world, but planning helps keep me sane. And I'm sure most of you can relate to that as well. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of Monday, December 28th through actually Sunday, January the 2nd, but I'll be starting January in my new planner. So you'll see that as I get to those days. I'm going to start off by just planning for Monday through Thursday to close out this planner, and then I'll come back and do the weekend in my new planner. So let's get started. Normally I show you my prior week's layout so that you can see what my planning style looks like, but I actually have not been decorating for the past few weeks. Christmas was just a really busy time for me this season, so I'm actually going to flip back a couple of weeks and just show you what my planning style looked like for the week of December 7th, the last time I put stickers in my planner. So this is December 7th and 8th. I used the Happy Planner Squad Girls and their seasonal themes in my planner for this particular week. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I also received some comments asking about what my planner looks like after the pen, and this is what it looks like after the pen. So you can see I fill in a lot of my to-dos throughout the week to try to make sure that I get everything done on a daily basis, and sometimes things move to the next day. So I use a red pen or a colored pen to basically indicate what I've completed with check marks, what I wasn't able to complete, and then I'll do arrows if I plan to move it to the next day. So I do that throughout the week. I also fill in my different sections based on the header that I have. So people I need to call, goals, things I need to clean or not forget. I try to keep all of those things in my planner under the designated sections. This is Wednesday, Thursday. Once again, I have a full list of to-dos that I had to get done. Then I have my specialized sections for me time, editing, planner time, and more don't forget details. And then also, this is my weekend spread. And once again, I had my squad girls as well as some seasonal theme stickers and a full list of to-dos. Lots of things checked off and quite a few that weren't able to be checked off. Like I said, it just helps me really be able to structure and organize my weeks and keep things compartmentalized in a way that I can hopefully get them accomplished. This is what my planner looked like in terms of stickers as well as an after the pen in one of my planner weeks. Now, flipping to this week, I'm going to start off by putting in my script stickers to designate my sections. Okay, so those are my script stickers for this particular week. For Monday and through Thursday, I will go back and put in script stickers on Friday when I do the weekend. But for right now, I just want to do enough to close out this week. I will say that I really missed out on the Christmas week and being able to decorate my planners. I have sticker books exclusively for that, and I just can't believe that I didn't use a single Christmas sticker this year. It was just so much going on. That tells you how busy my life was these last couple of weeks. I'm going to make up for that by doing my New Year's Year spread, and also hopefully starting to get back into regular decorating in my planners going into the new year. I'm going to be using the Happy Planners Wrong seasonal collection to do my spreads for this week. I do have 3 books associated with this particular theme, so I'll be pulling from all 3 as needed. I really want to stick to more of a New Year's theme, and I know this book has a section dedicated more towards New Year's, welcoming the new year, etc. So I plan to at least start by trying to use that section in my planner for this week. I may have to go between the different books depending on what I need in order to fill in for the entire week. Okay, that is going to be my Monday, Tuesday spread. I like that it's rather simple, but it also is festive enough going into the new year. So I'm going to put in my boxes, work from home stickers, scales, and steps to finish off this spread. So this is my Monday, Tuesday spread. I put in some boxes for important things that are either occurring that day or that I need to get done. I've also got boxes here for extra things that I need reminders about or to make sure that I get completed each day. I have my different sections, my scales, my steps. So I really do like the way that this turned out. It's a bit more sophisticated than normal because I tried to scale back in terms of a lot of decorations and make it equally functioning as well. So I really do like the way this turned out. It's interesting. I already had my to-do list in place because that's just how much I knew I needed to get done these days. Now we're going to flip to Wednesday, Thursday. I have my script stickers in place. I'm going to do my decorating. I think that is all I'm going to do in terms of decorating for this page as well. Now I'm going to add my scale stickers, step stickers, and anything else I need to close out these 2 pages. I will not be working on these 2 days, so I don't need to do my work from home stickers, but let me just check to see if there's something else I want or need to add. Okay, I've put in my scales, I've put in my steps. I know I need to do a little grocery shopping on Wednesday. Now that I've put in all of my stickers, I am done with Wednesday, Thursday, and I also like the way that this turned out. So I'm going to now pull out my new 2021 Daily Petite Planner so that I can do my first day in that planner. Well, actually, first few days, because I'll be doing the entire weekend, so I'm excited about that. Okay, now this is my first weekend spread in my new planner, so this will be Friday, January 1st through Sunday, January the 3rd. I'm going to continue my New Year's theme using the Happy Planner Wrong seasonal collection books. And now that I think about it, I need to go back and put in my script stickers. This is the Friday, Saturday, Sunday spread. I don't think I'm going to add a whole lot more here. I actually like the simplicity. That is my weekend spread, and I do also like the way that this turned out. I'm going to put in a box here. I do have a New Year's dinner to attend with my daughter on Friday. I want to note that. And then with the new layout, I noticed I don't have the hexagons anymore to put in my scales and steps. So I actually found these cute smaller scales on the Planner Kate website, and I wanted to try using those. So I'm going to pull this. One thing I've noticed honestly in 2020 is that I really am not weighing myself or focusing on my weight as much as I was before, and I don't know if I really want to start being that critical about my weight again. But I just want to have this here in the event, or at least start off the year with my scales still in place to record my weight whenever I decide to jump on the scale. I will continue to put them on my pages so long as they don't obstruct my design aesthetic and or cause me to be too focused in on that. So that is my scale, and I like the smaller versions because they're less intrusive than the larger ones were with the hexagons. I also have my little shoes here to record my steps, so I can actually keep them both up in the corner, which is pretty cool. That is my weekend spread for the new year. I'm super excited to get back into decorating and planning and using my new equipment to hopefully provide you with better videos in the future. I'm still working on lighting and getting it right, but we're getting there. I hope this video provided you with some inspiration. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!